back to my channel. In today's video, I have a little bit of a clothing haul. This is a thrift store haul. So in the last couple of months, I've gone to Goodwill a couple of times, and this isn't like a massive clothing haul, but I did get some things I wanted to show you guys. They're not all from the same trip, but this is everything that I've gotten from this thrift store that is by my house at the place we just moved to. So I've really been enjoying having like a thrift store super close. It's just a really easy way to find great affordable clothing, and the Goodwill has some pretty good options if you search well. Before we get started, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, give this video a thumbs up, and turn on that notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos. We know that YouTube is shady sometimes. I'm going to show you guys some of the new items I picked up at the Goodwill recently, and we'll just go ahead and jump straight into it. So I'll definitely have try-on clips in this video so you can see how everything looks on me. Most of this stuff is like fall and winter kind of clothes because that's what we're moving into. But I do have one item that is like summer clothes, so I'll show you guys that. But I have some sweaters here. Holy cow, this is really making my head itch. I love this hat and it's adorable, but it makes my head itch like you've never seen before. I've got some sweaters. First sweater is just this basic white sweater. You guys can see it better in the try-on clip, obviously. I have been looking for a good like white turtleneck for like forever. This isn't the perfect like white turtleneck I've been looking for. I kind of want like a chunky knit sweater, but I do like this one. It's more fitted and I still think it's really cute, and I'll definitely wear it a lot this winter. So there's that. The next style is kind of interesting because in my early like teens, I guess, this was like ugly. Basically this is the kind of like that 90s style that's come back in. It's a turtleneck. The top is like this purple color, and it's got a black stripe and another purple stripe, and then there the bottom is gray. And this is kind of, you can tell, like 90s, super early 2000s kind of look. Recently it's been coming back in, and I found this at the thrift store and I was like, wow, you know, this could totally be made to look super cute and like trendy and updated. So I usually will wear this with a pair of high-waisted jeans just tucked in, just because I think that's the way it looks best, and you will see that in the try-on clip. But yeah, I just really like this sweater and I just think it looks super cute. I love to roll up the sleeves just a little bit. I just think it makes it look more, I don't know, trendy. If you don't wear this in the right way, it can look outdated because this sweater is obviously from like the 90s, early 2000s, because I got it at the store and you can tell it's like pretty old. I do think I can make it look really cute and modern, but these are the kind of clothing items you do have to work with to make them look like they're in style now and not from like 15 years ago. So yeah, there's that sweater. And then the last sweater that I have is this giant kind of, I don't want to say chunky, it's just really oversized baggy sweater. And this is kind of like a turtleneck too. It's just like a lower, not as tight turtleneck. And it's got these really loose, long sleeves, and it's like super long. And then right here on the sides, it has this little slit. And I really love this sweater. I love to wear it kind of like a dress with leggings underneath, just like a sweater dress. I just like wearing this with leggings, and it's super oversized and cute. And yeah, I really like this sweater. I love this light gray color. It's like the perfect gray color. Okay, so moving into some bottoms, this is kind of what I got the most of. The first thing I have is like a skirt. This is kind of like more fall appropriate, but you could wear it whenever. It's just the fact that it's this olive green color. So you can definitely tell with this skirt that it's not meant to be worn high-waisted, but that's how I wear it and it fits me like that. It did have a slit down the back here. That's something I sewed down. Definitely the slit was way too high up when I wore it high-waisted. You can tell it was meant to be worn at the hip, which is how it would have been in style in the early 2000s or 90s or whenever this was in style, this like corduroy type of material. But it's back in and I absolutely love it, and I've worn it several times already, just like high-waisted with the sweater tucked in and some tights or leggings and boots. And it's super cute, and I'm so happy that I found this at the thrift store because it was only a couple of dollars. The next thing that I have is something that has been a struggle for me. I have truly been looking for a while for the perfect pair of black dress pants, or just dress pants in general. It's hard to find ones that fit really nice and not like they're from 10 years ago. I found this pair from Express, but they're definitely a little outdated. They are low rise, which I don't love, but I also don't hate. And if you wear it with the right thing, You can't really tell. I just freaking love the way these fit me. I just think they look so good on, and they're just a nice black dress pant. I have a couple other pairs of dress pants, but they just don't fit as nicely as I want them to, and these just fit really well. I really like them, and I'm definitely going to keep wearing them. I do want to look for a nice pair of high-waisted ones, but these will do for now. And then next I have some of my favorite things that I've got. I really, really love both of these pants. The first pair is from Old Navy, and they look like this. They're just like a typical kind of dress slash office pant, whatever. I don't know what you call these. They're printed, which I find is really in right now. The thing that's really been in is like checkered or plaid printed pants that are high-waisted and really fitted. These aren't exactly what I was looking for, but they are high-waisted. They have that kind of checkered vibe. Not exactly the same, but they're pretty similar, and I just like them. They're just black and white, very basic, go with a lot of things. They were a little big for me when I bought them, but I just took them a little bit on the legs and down at the ankle because it was a little bit wider than I like for these kinds of pants, but it worked out well, and I really love these. I've worn them a lot actually. They're one of my favorite things that I've gotten. It looks like someone bought them like 2 years ago and took them to the thrift store because they're super in. Like, they look like very like typical Old Navy and what they have in there right now. The next pair of pants is another favorite. These are actually Tailor Pants, and that's really cool because these were like $3. They look like this. They're this kind of like light grayish bluish kind of color, but they're very like muted, and I really like this color. I feel like all year round they look amazing, and yeah, I love this like grayish muted bluish color. And I've worn them a ton. They're high-waisted, they fit well. I mean, they just look so good, and they're just so comfortable, and they're so soft. I don't know if I've ever touched a material that is this like intensely soft. They're just so soft and so comfortable, and I love them, and I will be wearing these a lot. The last pair of pants I have are these blue jeans. They're kind of like mom jeans, and I've been looking for a good pair of mom jeans for a while, but I don't know if these are exactly what I've been looking for. I tried them on and they were like probably the best ones I had found from looking at the jeans at the Goodwill, but I don't love them, but I want to do some stuff to them. Basically, I've been trying to figure out if I want to cut the bottom off and have like that blunt frayed cut, which I think would look really cute with how wide-legged they are. If I don't do that, I might take them in a little bit so they're more of like a skinny pant, because they are really wide at the bottom, and I don't know how I feel about that. I'm getting comfortable with that. Like I said, if I don't cut them off at the bottom, I will take them in a little bit, make them more of like a skinny jean, and then just roll them up like this. And yeah, I do like them. I think they fit me really nicely, and they have that loose kind of mom jean feel, and they look, you know, really kind of vintage. And yeah, I like them. Hopefully I'll get wear out of them. I haven't worn them yet. I mentioned earlier I have a summer clothing item, and that is this pair of shorts right here from Calvin Klein, believe it or not. These were only a couple of dollars. I cut the bottom off. They were kind of like longer, and the bottom was sewn like a traditional like jean pant leg. Very outdated looking, very like 80s, and just not really cute, weird length. But I cut them off, and I really like them now. I just think they're really cute, and I've only worn them like one time because I didn't really get the chance to wear them because it's been so cold. But when I did wear them, I did really like them, and I think they're really cute, and I love that they're Calvin Klein. That makes me happy. And yeah, I've been looking for high-waisted, kind of ripped denim shorts, and it's just been hard to find really cute ones, but I like these. Next, I have two belts to share with you guys. The first one is this kind of like dark red maroon type belt. It's just very basic, very simple. It's got this square like clasp or whatever you call it. And I have been looking for a black belt, but I couldn't find one. Every time I went, I couldn't find one. So I got this red one, and I do really like it. It goes with quite a few different things, but this was only $2 and I really like it. So I love wearing that for like a pop of color, especially this fall and winter, just kind of like add a little color to a neutral outfit. And then next I have my black belt that I found. And this I found later on. I just could not find the perfect black belt. This has the gold clasp, which I like, and then the actual belt itself, it kind of has this texture to it, which is really cool. If you look up close, has this really cool, almost like snake skin style texture. It's not super noticeable, but it adds a little something, and I really like that. I didn't really want just like a plain, like smooth, shiny black belt or something. It's not like super shiny, which is a little more out of date. And I like that it has the gold clasp. And so yeah, I really love wearing this with everything. Like, it goes with everything. It's a plain, simple black belt with just a little bit of something to it. The last clothing item that I have is amazing because this was $4 and it is basically like a winter vest, winter coat style item. This is a black vest from Gap. This is what it looks like. It's super new looking, like it literally looks like it's never been worn. It has this nice fur hood and it was literally $4, and I just thought that was an amazing deal that I couldn't pass up. I don't have any vests like this, and I just really like that style of like the high-waisted denim jeans with like a long sleeve t-shirt and then wearing a vest over it like this. I just think that's super cute, and I just thought it was a great deal because it looks perfectly new and untouched, and it's very warm and like thick and comfortable. And so yeah, I really like this. I thought it was a great buy, and that is the last clothing item that I have for you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know down below any suggestions that you have for any other videos that you would like for me to do. Yeah, hopefully I can do more of these. I really like doing like hauls, especially like clothing hauls. I really enjoyed it. I love all of these things. And let me know if you guys want me to do any more like clothing hauls or fashion videos or anything like that. I guess that's gonna be it from me today. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have not yet, be sure to subscribe down below. Give this video a thumbs up, share it, turn on that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. It looks like someone bought them 2 years ago and took them through the... It looks like someone bought them 2 years ago and took them through... Good Lord.